Okay, small group. I will participate, focus, take turns talking, no movement from group without permission. We have 2 targets that I'm going to be working with you guys. Students will demonstrate place value of decimals through hundreds using concrete models, decimal grids, base 10 blocks, or number lines. Students will translate decimals to tenths or hundredths place into its equivalent fraction form.
And Ms. Hess, you might wanna make sure you do a quick review of comparing the decimals, setting them up vertically, okay? Cause I intended to do that in the whole group and I ran out of time.
Okay, so with the decimals, I'm gonna write I'm gonna write 2 different decimals, and then I want you guys to line them up, and then circle which one is the highest, okay?
Biggest number?
The biggest number, yes.
Okay. What you want to do? To find the biggest number.
So what are you guys gonna do?
I'm
You
done.
automatically need to do what?
I'm done.
When you have these kind of problems,
Hard
you need to put one underneath
Okay,
the
when
other
you come
to
to my
compare
group,
and
bring
find
your
out
board,
which number
marker,
is the
your
biggest
grid,
number.
please, and
Which way is the gator gonna eat? What number is the gator gonna eat?
The bigger number.
The bigger number. So, but you need to show this in a correct way so you know that you're getting the correct answer for the biggest number the gator's going to eat.
What is he doing? What is Edwin doing?
Stop.
So we gotta do it. What are you doing?
Okay. Dwayne, let me see. Okay, so what I wanted you guys to do was
Is we adding or no?
Tavis, please. So I wanted you guys to do this. Okay? So both the zeros cancel out, correct?
Yup.
Okay. Which one is higher? The 2 or the 6?
The 6.
The 6. So that means the 6, this one would be the highest. Okay? I'm gonna do one more. That's how you need to write it though, so that you know you're getting the correct answer. Okay, so let's do 0.
Why don't you like those like that? Can I say the answer out loud?
No.
Okay.
Good morning. Okay? No, we're gonna do it after small group.
Alright, stop.
We can fit
Okay.
in one small group, I can hold group, one small group, okay? Then we're gonna do this side. Yes, ma'am. Okay? Pardon me? Well, you just do it based on the need of your group, okay? You know, I said you looked at it,
Stop looking at me.
whatever you want, say the most.
Okay.
Say thank you, all right?
Alright. So
Everybody, Isaiah.
I'm gonna bring this one over here.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
0.03.
Start getting your materials
So
ready.
the zeros here cancel out, correct? I need you guys focused. The zeros cancel out, correct?
Yes.
So we go to the next number. 1 and a 0. Which one is correct?
Wait, I thought 3 was great.
Chris, did you hear me call your name?
3.
That's why we
three,
set it up.
Thank you.
So you can find out which one.
3.
So
'Cause that's 3.
1,
Okay, King, come to, honey.
and a 0.
'Cause I'm only gonna have time.
3.
So this one right here would be bigger.
What?
Cause see, look, see,
That's
look,
150.
Come, honey.
look,
Thank you.
a 0 and a 0, a 1
Okay,
and
I
0.
want, please,
But that's
I want you
300. That don't make no sense.
privacy
I got it right.
because if I see,
Natalie, right there.
pull that chair
Because you
up.
said what she said. That's 300. No, you didn't.
That's how you set it up, guys.
Okay. But that's 300, so how is that big? Natalie, I'm not talking to you.
Guys, stop, please. When you put the numbers, when you put the numbers together, okay, that's how you find out what.
Can we do one
Okay,
more?
now move it. We have to get everybody in this group.
I need to move on, so if you guys need more help with that, then come see me during recess
You
and we
don't
can
do
do
what
that.
you want.
The test already gonna be
What
over
I
though.
say.
Isn't that in the test?
You
I don't know what's on the test.
got it
Me,
all.
what during recess?
I'm in charge.
Okay,
Get that straight.
so what, if we have 1.5,
Okay,
write those in 3 different
all
fractions.
right, next.
I hate this one.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one.
Write these in 3 different fractions.
This one is the decimal comparison. We're comparing decimals, and I'm going to just say which one is true or false, and then you're going to justify.
We gotta write that in the
Do
decimal.
that. Justify.
No,
Write it at 3 different fractions.
What is it just to find?
Okay.
Oh, freak, what else?
You're going to say it's true or false, and then you.
I only found 2 ways.
Prove it.
Is this too low? What- I need one more.
You need one more. There should
Oh
be
my
3.
goodness.
There might be
Evelyn,
This
here's
way?
what you have.
Man, we on the board. Can you leave me alone? I didn't
Okay,
get this
the-
either. I don't know.
Then you have to write.
What is that? Like the last one.
Okay, we'll go over it in just a second.
51:10.
one more that I don't know that.
51:10. You shh. Can you be quiet? No.
Okay,
Listen.
alright, so
Can you tell Tavis to leave me alone, please?
Okay, you,
Am I
you
messing
to compare for Tez.
Tavis, if I'm not talking to you, please stop talking.
Well, if I'm not talking to her, so.
Please.
You shouldn't be talking during group unless I ask you to.
Is this the 5th?
Okay, so
I'm sorry.
we wanted to write it in 3 different fractions, correct?
Okay.
Okay, so
Like rest of you got it. Is this a true statement?
so we have where we can do 15 tenths, right? Because if we have this, that's 10,
You should again put them up.
and then if we have 5 of these,
True or false?
that gives you 10 plus 5 equals what?
15.
15.
That's
So
the
it's
only one.
15 tenths, because these are tenths, right? And then another one is 150 over 100.
Wait, Miss S. I thought 150 was written in 0.15.
We're writing it in a fraction.
Yeah, but in a decimal.
This is the problem right here. It's already in a decimal. I want it written as a fraction.
Okay, you three compare.
Y'all just switched it. I thought you
You two
said
compare.
it's the 0
Okay, you two
and
gentlemen
what if it's
compare.
60,
15 tenths,
0.
it would go to 150 to hundreds.
Alright, and you got false? Okay.
I'm
Alright,
confused.
let's just have a
And then
review of it.
the last one would be 1 and 5 tenths.
Oh yeah, I remember. I had trouble with that.
We did this problem, we did something similar like this morning,
Can we do another one?
okay?
Please can we do another one?
Yeah.
No, Miss
I
S.
got it. I like that. I didn't like that.
Okay.
I got it.
Okay, so I'm gonna do another one, and I want you guys to do it on your own. 0.5.
Now that's just easy.
This one's gonna have 2.
Two what?
You need to write 2 fractions.
I can't do that.
That make no sense.
Done.
What?
You don't need to say no.
Oh my goodness.
Wait a minute, I'm sorry. Okay, all right, so let me see, let's do this. Wait a minute. Let's do this.
How am I supposed to do
There we
this?
go. Now you can do it. Sorry about that.
Is it 1/5?
Blaine, you got it?
I'm glad you.
Ellen, what you let me see?
It's 3 of those to write?
There's only 2.
Why you got that out?
No. I got it right.
Okay, moving on.
Can I write it?
So, Mariah, what's the first one?
You should be just.
That I wrote?
What is,
Okay, I'm just gonna
huh?
see.
5,
Okay,
10.
Agree.
Do you guys agree? 5/10.
I totally agree.
Okay. Madeline, what's the next one?
50/100.
50 hundredths.
Yeah, it's like
Does everybody agree with that one?
I was the first one.
Does it,
Yep, I agree.
excuse me, do everybody agree?
Yeah.
You just
Okay,
take it.
And you just
all right.
I didn't roll it.
It's okay.
When she say 3,
Okay.
Y'all gotta do 2.
so you can raise one.
Now, listen, focus. I'm gonna put a couple of columns up here. What I want you to do is write it into
3 different fractions.
a decimal.
Yay,
Okay.
that's
I don't
easy.
feel good.
And we don't care.
Take this
I was
one.
playing.
It's just my arm.
What?
Why is it like an envelope?
Oh, I get it. We have to do the opposite now. No, we don't, Lily. You have to
Yes,
write
you're writing decimals to this.
Exactly.
You did not say that.
So we gotta write all them fractions.
He said that.
What's
No,
that?
I said it.
I didn't
Okay,
say nothing.
do me a favor,
Liar,
get focused, write these down.
Not easy. Oh yeah, this is easy. That one is.
No, don't say it out loud. We're writing each number
I got that one
or
already.
each problem,
That's
and we're gonna answer
Nobody need to know. I don't get that one.
to
3, 3, 2.
into decimal.
Okay, so let's look at this 3 different ways. 1, 2, 3, show me. Okay.
It's-
Alright. Okay.
Write them in decimal form now.
Miss S, I don't get that one right there. 3,
Just do. That's why I said write each problem,
This.
and then whichever problem you don't understand, because I'm gonna go over all of them.
You can go over them two right now.
Tavis,
Okay, sorry.
I'm not gonna have this today.
Oh, I know that one.
I'm not gonna have distractions. I'm trying to sit here and teach. They're trying to learn.
I just need to know that.
I'm confused. I don't know the last one.
Just try, Madeline.
Stop looking at my board. They can flip. Not see it.
I told you to keep.
We're writing them into decimals.
I expect, well, he didn't have to say
What?
about it. Okay? That's
I don't. You just get yours done.
okay. Alright.
I only got one, and I don't know.
Okay, alright.
You need
Okay.
2.
That is a dozen. If that is
Madeline, can you see that? Your marker.
If
Alright, put your markers and boards down. Face them down. Face them down. Put it down. Put your marker down. Stop.
You all agree? Okay, let's read it.
Okay. So what? 3,300. What would that be?
No, 0.33.
0.33.
I just said that.
Can I say the next one? Can I say that one?
0.70.
Bruh, be quiet.
Tavis.
0.7.
Madeline. 600s. How would you do it in decimal?
0.6.
Oh, I know. I know.
Can I go?
0.6. Okay.
Circle the
I don't know.
list, Marjorie.
You almost had it.
0.600.
No, Dwayne.
Please.
This one right here.
0.06.
Oh my God.
0.06 is correct.
Okay, got it, got it.
You could have let me say that.
He just pushed it.
Thank you.
Okay, who? Raise your hand. Who would like to try
I
this
don't want to
one?
do that.
No.
Me. No, I'll try it.
Are you going to be serious?
Yes.
No.
0.
Correct. Okay, correct.
Nope.
Say.
0.3.
Right. 3.03. Okay, super.
3 point.
I need to see my team and, yeah. Okay, all right. Okay, guys, you all did absolutely fabulous. Okay, you can put a check mark in here.
What did you say? 3 point?
0.3.
No.
Oh, wait, no. It's 0.30.
No.
It's 3.3.
I'm about to call the answer. Because what? I'm going to
That don't make sense.
That makes no sense.
3.3.
I don't care. I still got them all
It's
right.
3 and then 3 tenths.
Can we try again? I got them all right. I got them all right.
I got it right, but I didn't. You can even say that one.
I don't care. I got it right.
Okay, we're going to work on one more thing real quick.
If I pass it, says I'm going to cry.
Okay.
I-
Incorrect.
Because what?
I need you guys to focus.
Okay. And plus it's short. So if you get 3 questions wrong, it's the F. That's what I'm telling you.
Write this as a decimal,
That is the F.
or I mean a fraction.
Fraction.
Okay, I would love to do that.
Write that as a fraction.
How many fractions?
Just one.
That is a fraction? Yep.
Yes.
Easy. Fraction. That would be.
I'm
I'm
done.
done. What is that?
Okay.
Look at me. Do you understand me? Thank you. Thank you.
And then, guys, listen. And then write this one as a fraction.
What?
I want both of those in fractions.
Oh,
They're showing two fractions. Here you go.
Let's review
Dwayne.
this. Okay?
One fraction.
Let's review this.
it's a fraction.
I'm done.
Done. I may be wrong, but
Come on, young.
Okay. Go ahead and put your boards down.
It's 2 of those.
Put your board down.
It's 2 of those.
Okay, you cannot add fractions that do not have the same denominator.
No, I didn't.
Okay. So 0.44. What would the fraction be, Dwayne?
4 and 1 tenth.
That's the first step.
No.
No, 4 and 4 tenths.
Okay?
This. I got that.
It's 44 what?
Yes, 4400.
44 hundredths. 44 hundredths.
Let's go.
Oh, I got it wrong.
Mariah, 0.5. Write that in a fraction. What did you write?
No, I got it right. I wrote the first one
Tell
at
me.
5'10".
5'10". Can you stop? I was trying to say.
Stop. Davis. Reminder.
I didn't even say nothing.
You're being disruptive.
How?
So
Okay.
0.5.
I got it right there.
Again, this is only a drill. During this drill, hold in your room or area. Clear hallway.
Why do they do this every day?
This is a whole drill.
I don't know.
During this drill, hold in your room or area.
Stay in your room.
Clear hallway.
Actually, guys, let me.
Again, this is
With this,
Right, 150.
during this drill, hold in your room or area
Okay,
until
it
further
says
notice.
just a hold.
okay, write
Okay. Are they wanting
Write
to
this
set
as-
in
as a fraction.
What? You did.
Okay.
Okay.
As a fraction.
Oh, wait, pay attention. Hello? As a fraction.
Oh.
As a fraction.
Okay,
As a
keep
fraction.
Keep doing what you're doing. I will, okay, listen.
Greetings, West African family. We know
I'm
today
done.
we are dealing with inclement weather. However, we're going to conduct our fire drill, but it will be in a modified version. When I enact when I sound the alarm for evacuate, instead of evacuating to your designated areas, you will line your students up, teachers. They will be at a voice level 0. You will line them up in your class as if though you were exiting. A security team member will come around to your classes to check their areas as they always do, and they will call in if their area is clear or not. You can use the red and green circles to let them know if you have all of your students or if you are missing a student or have an extra student. So again, when I sound the alarm or when I give the evacuate drill, you will not evacuate. You will line up in your classroom at a voice level 0 students, and you will wait for the security team members to come by, check your classroom, and then you may seat your students, but they still need to remain at a voice level 0. If you find any of your students not abiding by those expectations, please ensure that you write their names down, give those names to me, and during lunch, they will have a silent lunch. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask those security members that are coming around to your class once the evacuate drill is in place. Thank you.
Okay.
Can this be one too?
0.6. Write that as a fraction.
I already did. You don't gotta tell nobody. Shut up.
Excuse me, you should be working quietly. Thank you.
I put this like because I put 16 with this.
Why do I still have
Okay.
Put it down.
Yeah, tell me first, is that you?
Okay, so 0.6.
This is your evacuation alert. Again, this is only a drill. During
It would
this
be
drill, please evacuate
60.
immediately to your designated evacuation area. Again,
Okay, you
100.
want to line up, zero
during this drill,
double,
please
line up.
evacuate
Ah,
to your designated evacuation area.
You are not talking.
Line up.
Get in a line, any line, just like we would be going out for a fire drill. Thank you. Facing forward, standing, thank you. Facing forward, 0 level. saying zero level.